Hello, I'm Chris, and this is my unboxing only video of this 110 Tamiya. Comes on a TT02 chassis. Let's check it out, get an idea if this is going to be a hard kit or an easy kit. You never know if it's going to be an easy body or hard body at first glance. This one does not have any post holes drilled in it, antenna holes. The fenders are not pre-cut out for you. Polycarbonate 110, super high quality, as usual from Tamiya. Very cool looking body. So 257 millimeter wheelbase. Oh man, look at this paint job. We have multiple things we're gonna have to mask off. So this is sort of a two-tone, where we're gonna have to find or create a line. So this paint job is gonna be 10 out of 10. Notice the silver top. We should be able to mask that off fairly easy. Those fairly easy. There's your color codes. So we have a whole bunch of stickers on here. Nothing looks too big at first glance. Wing, we have to paint black. Mirrors, paint black. Hopefully they're molded in the black color already. They're already molded in semi-gloss black, so there really is no need to paint these. Some window masks. Kind of some big white stickers right there. Nothing too crazy on this page. What is going to be on the other side? Somewhat big sticker right there. Long stickers. Looking forward to this. So we have standard width Tamiya slicks all the way around. These common wheels, you'll see these in silver. These are in black. They look okay. This one comes with the hobby wing, brushed only ESC. So then it's going to come with a TT02 chassis. There's everything for it. You have to put everything together. 540 motor plate and a 380 motor plate if you want to run that. So this kit's going to come with a torque tune 540 motor. All right, all the gears are plastic on the TT02. Servo saver, some brass bushings, mostly plastic bushings. So there's your grease. The TT02 comes with a 22 tooth pinion in there. So then the standard plastic friction dampers. Springs are kind of stiff on these. TT02 has a big foamy front bumper, black antenna, and full set of instructions. So the reason I make these unboxing videos is mainly to get an idea, is the body on it going to be hard? And this one did catch me off guard, I'm not going to lie. I thought it was going to be all blue, and you see we opened up a little can of worms here. This is going to be very difficult for some people to do, but I will have a video in the future doing it all, body assembly, cutting it out and getting it ready. Not sure when that video is going to be uploaded, but I am looking forward to these models. I am obsessed with them. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.